Bonjour à tous, this is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School Vasai. Myself Shikta Pete, French teacher. This is a video for class 8, chapter number 5, part 2. So let's begin. Leçon 5, mon argent de poche, meaning the allowance as I told you, or the pocket money. Monsieur Lavigne, le grand-père de Paul, lit le journal, means the Mr. Lavigne, the grandfather of Paul, is reading the journal, meaning the newspaper. Il voit Paul qui sort et il appelle Paul. Then what he sees, il voit means he sees Paul qui sort, who is leaving, okay, et il appelle Paul, and he calls Paul. Monsieur Lavigne, bonjour Paul, où vas-tu? Bonjour Paul, where are you going? Paul, bonjour, je vais au travail, means I am going to work. Monsieur Lavigne, mais pourquoi travailles-tu? But why are you working? Tu dois faire attention à tes études. You have to pay attention to your studies. It's not necessary for you to work, rather you focus on your studies. Paul, de nos jours, les adolescents comme moi font de petits travaux pour gagner leur argent de poche et je vais assister à mon cours ce soir. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Now the no jour means what? In these days, les adolescents, the students who are like grown up, they are about 18 years, comme moi, like me, for the petits travaux pour gagner leur argent. Now see, can you see here? It is not for they. DES is not there because the adjective is come before the noun. It is PETITS. Although it is in the plural forms, but it is being used as DE. So always remember, when there is a adjective before the noun and it has to be done in a plural form, the DES will, or a un will change to de. So it is for the petit travaux pour gagner leur argent de poche, means nowadays the young students or the young people like me, what are they doing? They do some kind of small work pour gagner leur argent de poche. Gagner is what? For earning their pocket money. Et je vais assister à mon cours ce soir, and I am going to attend my class this evening. Ne vous inquiétez pas, means you do not have to worry. C'est bon pour toi, mais tu peux demander de l'argent de poche à tes parents aussi. Okay, say bon pour toi, it's good for you, but you can also demand some money. Money means the allowance you need to from your parents. Oui, papi. Papi is as we have seen in the vocabulary, papi is a name like for the grandfather. So yes, grandfather, vous avez raison, you are right. Mais je veux devenir indépendant, but I want to become independent et confiant, and I want to gain the confidence, comme vous et papa, okay, like you and papa. For that I require the some experience. Now how in India we feel that working in like a restaurants or doing some small jobs, it is not it's not according to our status and all, but in most of the in this abroad, western countries, they don't find any kind of work as small. Okay, so you will find many of the students, those who are from the what we say, they are from the very good family, rich and all, even they start working in the restaurants, in the cafe, to earn their pocket money. So the reason is that they just want to become the independent and gain the confidence. That means rather going after the studies to work, they find it easier that they will have the experience during the studies only, they will simultaneously work and earn money. Monsieur Lavigne, oh mon chéri, oh my dear, je suis très heureux de le savoir. I am very happy of knowing that. Et quel travail fais-tu, and which work you do? Je fais de petit boulot, I do the small work. Je lave les voitures des voisins. See here now. Je lave les voitures. Will you be doing all the washing of the cars of your neighbors? And no, you are not going to do it. But they find it nothing. Okay, so je lave les voitures des voisins means I wash the cars of the neighbors. Je garde les enfants et quelquefois je fais le ménage aussi. Now see, je garde les enfants means I take care of the children, and quelquefois, and sometimes I also do the housework. Très bien. Continue mon petit fils. Very good. Continue it my grandchild. Au revoir papi. Got it? Now, répondez aux questions suivantes. Où est-ce que Paul va et pourquoi? Paul va au travail parce qu'il gagne means here parce qu'il, because there is a vowel, so it will be, you have to drop out the e of parce que and make it as parce qu'il gagne son argent de poche. Qu'est-ce que Paul doit faire? Paul doit faire attention à ses études. Now what it is necessary for Paul? To concentrate on his studies. Que font les adolescents de nos jours means what do the adolescents of these days, what do they do? Les adolescents font des petits travaux pour gagner leur argent de poche. Now what are they doing? They do some kind of small works for earning the small amount for their allowance. Comment Paul gagne-t-il son argent de poche? Now how he is going to earn his allowance? Paul fait de petits boulots pour gagner argent de poche. Now he is going to do all the small work for earning his pocket money. Trouver le contraire, Mia is the vanir, so according to Via, va, it will be in tu form. Mauvais is bon, contre is pour. Contre is against, pour is for. The dépendant is to be dependent, and indépendant is to be independent. Okay, now faites des phrases avec mais. J'aime le thé, mais je préfère le café. I like the tea, mais is but I prefer the coffee. Cours. J'assiste mon cours chaque matin means I attend my class every morning. Boulot. Il y a beaucoup de petits boulots à faire. There are a lot of small things to do. Or small work means work. Boulot means all small, like temporary, as I told you. Confiant. Je suis très confiant. I am very confident. Quelquefois, sometimes je rate mes cours means I miss my class.